The Trump administration has just escalated its battle with California, launching a lawsuit that could redefine the landscape of high school sports across the nation. The Justice Department is taking aim at Governor Gavin Newsom and his policies regarding transgender athletes competing in girls' sports, claiming they violate federal law. This isn't just a legal skirmish. It's a significant strike in the ongoing culture wars, and it's poised to have far-reaching implications as we head toward the 2024 election. At the heart of this lawsuit is the assertion that California's policies discriminate against female athletes. The DOJ argues that allowing trans athletes to compete in girls' events undermines the fairness of women's sports. They've cited 5 specific cases, including a trans track athlete who has won state championships, using these examples as evidence of the alleged unfairness. The lawsuit demands a court order to ban trans athletes from girls' sports and seeks compensation for female athletes who feel they've lost opportunities because of these policies. But this issue extends beyond the realm of sports. It's a strategic move targeting Gavin Newsom, who is seen as a potential Democratic presidential candidate in 2028. The stakes are high. If the DOJ succeeds, it could set a national precedent that encourages other red states to adopt similar legal strategies. This isn't just about sports. It's about the future of federal funding for schools. Trump's earlier order threatens to defund schools that allow trans athletes to compete, putting immense pressure on educational institutions. The rhetoric surrounding this lawsuit is intense. Pam Bondi from the Trump DOJ stated, "Not only is it deeply unfair, it's illegal. We will protect women's sports." Meanwhile, Newsom has remained silent for now, but he previously described trans participation in sports as deeply unfair. Will he maintain that stance, or will he pivot in response to this legal challenge? LGBTQ+ advocates are pushing back hard, labeling this lawsuit as a hateful attack on a vulnerable group. They argue that trans athletes represent a tiny fraction of competitors and that this legal action is more about politics than fairness. As this legal showdown unfolds, California is gearing up for a fierce fight. There's a real possibility this could escalate all the way to the Supreme Court. And while Trump's base is rallying around this issue, moderates may find themselves uncomfortable with the implications. The real fallout, however, will be felt by the students, both trans and cis, who are caught in the crossfire of this contentious debate. So, what do you think? Should trans athletes be allowed to compete in girls' sports? Is this about protecting rights, or is it purely a political maneuver? Your voice matters in this conversation.